Good morning, friends. Welcome to the Method Trading. So, in the pre-opening, market showing the bit gap of opening in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, and yesterday market was completely sideways to bearish. And another things market showing that another things which is market showing is market is trying to hold its higher level. So when the market is holding its higher level, it shows some bullishness. So at this point of time, if the market hold this level for another one to two trading session day, we can see the breakout. I think that there is a lower possibility for that market will give breakout at this stage. What my expectations from the market, what I plan for the market will be slightly bearish from the at this stage. So let's see how market behaving today, and we will try to trade like market behavior. Our thought and our approach is completely individual. Market is supreme, and we need to follow the market's way. So let's wait. Market is open now, and it shows that the C is working well. And now, what Bank Nifty is also open gap off, and I would like to go with the P. Let's see how this behaving. But what I think that the P should work in the setup market. Let's wait. We have time. We are not in hurry to make money, because you can also see that there is a strong momentum in the upper side. So both P and C can work well, no doubt about it. Let's hope see how it's behaving. So we need to see that it's almost 1 minute here, and market is behaving stronger on the C side. So let's go for the C trade. So we have entered in the C side because after the gap of opening, market is showing momentum, and we are following those momentum. So because it is gap up open right now, so we'll not go for the higher points because it's already opened gap up. So there will be possibility that market will take reversal. So we'll wait for that how it's behaving. Right now we are in the small profit, and but what I think that it's a bit risky because market open gap up, and after that it's going higher and higher. So there is a high chance of reversal in this. So we'll wait, and uh, as we are aware about this, the market may take reversal from this. So we are not going to give loss in this trade, right? The few things which is really matter in the market, how you react to market respond. So one thing is clear that it's open gap up, and another thing is clear that there is a high possibility that it will reverse up from the higher level. So we are aware with the both setup. So what we can do, we are in the trade, but when it so reversal, we will exit and not give the loss in this trade. We will not wait for that market will bounce back and come up. So we are not going to give that, right? So we have few points in hands, and we will work on only those points only, right? So still waiting for that how market is behaving. From my trading point of view, I was going for the PE. because after most of the time, 90% of time, when the market open gap up, the P buying work significantly than the C buying C. Now we are in the small loss, but still I want that because both the bank nifty and nifty shows the good strength. So still I'm waiting. I'm waiting that it may go up because strength is very good in both the index, and also you can see this very there is no momentum in the PE trade. So let's see how it's behaving. We have to wait because we have only 3 minutes right now. Market is open. We have taken the trade. That is the C side. We are cost to cost. No loss, no profit at this point of view. At this point of time, but there is a possibility that market will take reverse from here. But what happened? PE is not showing a strength, and both Bank Nifty and Nifty showing good strength in the bullish side. So we are waiting for that. We are waiting for that. Maybe it is possible that the bull will sustain its s- stand, and we may see the some, because if you see friends here, it has broken the 200 PME moving average, and after that it's sustaining. It's not like it's not sustaining. Let's see, we be in the trade, it will be very good. So from that, okay, so what we have seen, bank nifty have shown the negative and nifty is not holding, so we have exited this trade with a small loss. Now we are planning to enter in this trade, but we will wait for the momentum at least. So I have entered in the P side. Why I have entered and what my planned here? Because I was well aware that the market is behaving on the bearish side. Because see, market, I said earlier, market is open gap up and it's sustaining the bullish pattern. But what we saw is that we were expecting that there will be momentum reversal, because it's most of the time it happened, and that happened, and we have taken the minimum loss in that trade, right? So now it's showing volatility here, so we will wait for that. Another, I mean, okay, 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 okay. Now I think I need to exit this trade. Another loss in this day today. So it has shown strength. I would like to be on this side. So see, this is, I mean, loss of 1500 today. Now, what's the logic in this trade, friends? In this trade, what the logic is simple is that the PE is not sustaining its level, and market went down and taken support at this AWL VWAP, which is a very much that is very strong indicator, and after that it's showing good momentum. So on that basis, we have taken entered in this trade. And another thing that if you see the Nifty, it's holding its level. Bank Nifty is also showing good strength because it has covered the more than 60% of the first candle. So things look in the favor of C. That's why I have entered. This is the third trade, and we have almost touched the uh, everyday loss packet. I mean the amount which is fixed for day loss is 1500 for the intraday trading, and we are at that point. So if there will be another loss, I will exit the trade, and I'm not going to trade in the first session, right? Because the first session loss is fixed for me. So, and this is only learning purpose. I'm also learning. I'm also teaching. I know welfare of everyone is work really well. So the first session I go live trading because it will help the newcomers and also it helps me. So after that I used to trade without recording. So let's see how market is behaving. We have right now 10 minutes, and in the last 10 minutes you can see here that Nifty is showing strength in this bullish behavior, and Bank Nifty is almost showing strength. It's also good. So overall, it's look like that C trade will work here. Let's see how it's behaving. We have so still we are in the trade and we are uh, a good loss that is almost 1300 rupees 1300, and trade is going on. This trade has given me good loss. P side. Why I trade this? Because after this three candle, we have seen this momentum here. Market was opened gap up, so it was showing this that the bearish trade will work here. But again, it was the I mean not in the momentum. It went wrong completely. So I have come again to the C trade, which is still not working. Let's see how it's behaving. See what happening here. Nifty is holding its high level. Bank Nifty is also at the good position of today, and we are in the I mean higher loss for the day. So if this trade goes wrong, I'm not going to trade today. Let's see how it's behaving right now. Okay, I think it should recover. If it is no don't, I don't think no. Again, this is went wrong. Another trade. This is the third trade for the day, and it went wrong. And I would like to exit because it can give the stronger loss. So now the story is that we are in the higher losses, and we don't find momentum in this PE also. So we cannot go again in the trading because both in the range. If you see this, the first candle, they are premium in working in the range, and So when we will enter in this, because when we'll see breakout at this level, I mean if it is good above the 89, 90, so we can plan a trade here, otherwise we will not trade for today. That is very much clear for us, right? What happen if the market is, see, so entry I have taken in this P trade, and let's see how it's behaving. So we are waiting that how market is behaving in this. This is the fourth trade of the day. When you do higher trading, it means that you are not understanding the market. It is very much clear. So what happening here? I'm not getting the momentum of the market. In earlier trade, if you watch and remember, I said that market is how market is behaving. It's like simple that it's a open gap up, and I'm on the bearish side of this trade. But my conviction was not so much strong, and I went on trading to the C side, and which given me loss in the two trade. So still I'm not in the, I mean the bigger part of the loss is almost recovered, and waiting that the my, so now next point is to discuss here, because I have made the a day higher loss, what should be my target for the day, right? So if, because see, if you are in the good loss and you are expecting that you will on higher risk reward ratio today, you are going to be greater loss for the day, right? So whenever you are in loss in the first two three trades, the first objectives is try to, if you are trading, if you have a still, I mean first first thing is that when you are first three loss in the first three trade, you should not trade, right? But still, if you want to trade, what should be logic? First thing, you recover the parts of the loss, right? It's not the full loss you are going to lose recover. You are going to recover the part of the loss. Second planning, recover the full loss. And the third, if market is behaving as you want, it is the only one risk reward ratio. Like if you are expecting 4500 per day, you can expect that the 1500 you will be in the profit for the day. So three things you have to keep in the mind. The first things, you are going for the recovered part of the loss. Second things, you are going to be recovered. And third things, the partial profit, I mean risk reward is equal to 1, right? You are going to for the target for the day. Otherwise, what you will do, even you will get the good profit, you will lose that day, right? So these are the basic things we need to understand and work in the market with. So now market is showing that we are almost, I mean, the all loss, I mean profit which was recovered is again in loss, and loss is increasing. I would like to achieve that day. So it was almost recovered my all loss, but we can see here I'm in the. So what happened today in the market? See friends, whenever you see this candle, if you see this candle, you will find that it's a so simple, like two bullish candle, after that one bearish candle. But what happened? We are working in the midway of the candle, and we can see this how volatile is this candle. In the only in the only three candle, we have made four trade, and we are in the good loss. So this is how market shows that the difference of trading, I mean looking at the chart and live trading. That's why it's really make difference when you are working a live trading and you are practicing the chart, because in these three candles it looks so simple, right? But what happened with inside the candle, behavior of this candle was completely volatile. We are even single trade is not working here, right? So in this setup, we need to understand that live trading and looking at the chart is completely different things. So again it's showing, I mean I'm not going to continue because I have did greater loss in the both of the trading, and I would like to close my trading here because market is really not working, right? It's neither going downside, it's neither going upside. So both are the trap. Now buyer are taking decision, neither seller are taking decision at this stage. What will happen? It will come again and it will come up again. So if this setup of working is completely, it will be difficult for us, right? So with this, I'm closing the first session trading today. I will work in the second, third trading, which is complete. I don't go live with that. So thank you so much. Keep supporting this view, theory, and thought of this channel that is called method trading. Thank you so much.